Hey there, today we're diving into the exciting world of the Luucio SWAT police officer costume for kids, a fantastic all-in-one roleplay kit designed to give your child the ultimate policeman experience. This costume set includes everything your little officer needs, from a SWAT police hat and shirt to a vest, pretend walkie talkie, and SWAT glasses, making it perfect for kids aged 5 to 7. Crafted from 100% polyester, this costume is not only realistic with its real buttons and delicate embroidery but also safe, durable, and washable, ensuring endless hours of fun. Whether it's for Halloween dress-up parties, theme party costumes, or school plays, this versatile costume pack is sure to add excitement and joy to any event. It's an ideal gift that encourages social and communication skills, allowing your child to feel like a real police officer and take charge of any costume party. Available in various sizes, this costume is designed to fit kids from ages 3 to 10, so be sure to choose the right size based on your child's height and build. Let your child embrace the noblest of professions and cultivate their love for law enforcement in a delightful and imaginative way with the Luucio SWAT police officer costume. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.